Hi everybody and welcome to Traverse City Guide. In today's video, we're actually stopping by the Traverse City Curling Club. A brand new facility that will actually host Olympians. It actually has 5 lanes of recreational curling ice, and we were invited out to check it out. Let's go. This is great. So this is the old Kmart at the Cherryland Center. Looks like they have a nice setup. Curling on television. They have these great big windows you can actually peek in and see all the lanes. Inspired by watching the curling events during the 2014 Winter Olympics, local chiropractor Don and his sister Kara organized an open house at Traverse City Center Ice Facility. They wanted to gauge local interest in curling. Having never curled themselves, they held an open house in April 2014, an event which drew more than 500 prospective curlers, closely shepherded by volunteers experienced in the sport. Jillian, who's from Canada, lived in Traverse City. She had curled competitively as a junior. Given the overwhelming interest displayed at the open house, Jill agreed to set up times to teach curling, and from these lessons a small group emerged to form the Traverse City Curling Club. During the early years, the club curled at center ice. Late in the evening, following the last of hockey practices, despite the inconvenient playtimes, the club grew rapidly.
Let it off, man. Let it off. All the way across. All the way across. That's definitely one.
2017, Kara Colburn was elected president, with a directive to establish a dedicated ice facility that would support its mission of building a strong community through the sport of curling.
Boy, got it. Great shot, John. Whoa, that girl. Whoa. Let's sweep it. Whoa. That work. I want you to end up here. So you're going to throw it like it's going to stop back here. Upward. No, yep, out it now. All the way. There you go. Yeah. Wait, good, yep, just stay at it. Stay at it, hard. A piece of that. All right.
In June of 2022, the club was able to acquire the abandoned Cherryland Kmart building. They revitalized the entire building, which actually gave them 5 sheets of recreational curling ice. This is really nice in here. It's warm, but I'll tell you what, it's really cold in there. It's got to be at least 40 degrees. Beautiful lanes. I love the way that everything's laid out. Ice is about 2 to 3 inches thick. Got all the granite rocks there that they throw. The Traverse City Curling Center is conveniently located at 1712 South Garfield Avenue in Traverse City. Have you curled before? Leave a comment down below and let me know if you have. Also, hit that subscribe button. You'll get up-to-date videos in Traverse City. Thanks.